So before we actually crack on with any problems, we're going to have to understand some key terms. So in a lot of questions, they might not explicitly give you the information, so it won't tell you that u is 12 meters per second. They'll sort of make it less obvious, in quotes. So these are the 5 that are most common. So if an object starts from rest, then you immediately know u is 0. So it's starting completely stationary and then it's going off on its motion, therefore u is 0. Coming to rest, or just to rest, means that v is 0. So after its journey, it's finally stopped, and at that point its final velocity is 0. If it says it accelerates uniformly, then no calculus is involved, most likely. If you don't see things like v of t, or say like a random quadratic, for instance, there most likely won't be any calculus involved. And second of motion is a bit of a weird one. You essentially get your particular quantity between times n minus 1 and n, or, well, more appropriately, t minus 1 and t. So you sort of track between those and do 2 different calculations. And lastly, to decelerate implies that the acceleration is negative, which should make a bit of sense. So now we're getting on to actually do some problems.